choices you have to make in life, a story of growth and decisions. Life is a journey filled with countless choices, big and small, each shaping the path we take. In this story, we'll follow Emma, a young woman standing at the crossroads of life. Along the way, she encounters 15 critical choices, each representing decisions we all must make at some point. These choices will highlight the lessons and consequences that come with them. Hash 1. Choosing your career path. Emma had just graduated from college, unsure about her future. Should she follow her passion for art or choose a more practical career in finance? After much contemplation, she chose the latter, thinking it was the safe option. However, the decision would soon challenge her sense of fulfillment, making her realize that passion and practicality don't have to be mutually exclusive. Lesson. Your career shapes a significant part of your identity. Choose something that aligns with your interests and values. 2. The people you surround yourself with. Emma's friends influenced many of her decisions. Some encouraged her to take risks, while others planted seeds of doubt. She realized she had to decide who she wanted in her inner circle. She let go of toxic relationships and found peace in building deeper connections with supportive people. Lesson. The people around you can either lift you up or drag you down. Choose wisely. 3. Where to live. A job opportunity came up in another city. Should she stay in her comfort zone or move away? Emma decided to take the leap, moving to a bustling city that offered endless opportunities. Lesson. Where you live affects your lifestyle, happiness, and growth. Consider what environment suits you best. 4. Financial decisions. Emma's new job came with a decent salary. She had to decide, splurge on a luxurious lifestyle or save for her future. She struck a balance, investing wisely while enjoying the occasional indulgence. Lesson. Financial choices impact your long-term stability. Plan your spending and saving carefully. 5. Health and wellness. Caught up in her new job, Emma often neglected her health. After a few months of feeling constantly drained, she made a choice to prioritize fitness and nutrition. It changed her life for the better. Lesson. Health is wealth. Take care of your body and mind. 6. Romantic relationships. Emma met Alex, a kind and driven individual who inspired her to chase her dreams. It wasn't always smooth sailing, but she learned to make choices that nurtured their relationship, balancing love and independence. Lesson. Choose partners who respect and support you. Relationships require effort and compromise. Work-life balance. Emma's career was taking off, but it consumed most of her time. She realized she had to set boundaries and make time for herself and her loved ones. Lesson. Balance is key to long-term happiness. Don't let work overshadow the rest of your life. 8. Personal development. Always hungry for growth, Emma decided to take up new hobbies and attend self-improvement workshops. She learned skills that enriched her both personally and professionally. Lesson. Never stop learning. Invest in yourself. 9. Parenting decisions. When Emma became a parent, she faced a new set of choices. What kind of parent she wanted to be and how to raise her child. She decided to prioritize kindness, curiosity, and resilience in her parenting style. Lesson. Parenting is a lifelong responsibility. Be intentional about the values you pass on. 10. Staying true to your values. Emma faced situations where compromising her values would have made life easier, but she chose integrity over convenience, and it earned her long-term respect and trust. Lesson. Your values define who you are. Don't compromise them. 11. Handling failure. After a failed business venture, Emma had a choice. Give up or try again. She chose the latter, applying the lessons she had learned, eventually building a successful company. Failure is not the end. It's an opportunity to learn and grow. 12. Pursuing happiness. Emma realized that happiness wasn't tied to achievements or possessions. She chose to find joy in the simple moments, spending time with family, reading a good book, and traveling. Lesson. Happiness is a choice. Find it in the little things. 13. Contributing to society. Emma became passionate about giving back to her community. She volunteered regularly and mentored young professionals in her field. Lesson. Giving back enriches your life. Be a force for good in the world. 14. Facing fears. Public speaking terrified Emma, but it was crucial for her career. She chose to confront her fear head-on, turning it into a strength. Lesson: growth happens when you step outside your comfort zone. 15. Legacy and purpose. As Emma reflected on her life, she thought about the legacy she wanted to leave. She realized it wasn't about wealth or fame, but about the lives she touched and the impact she made. Lesson: live with purpose. The choices you make define the story you leave behind. Conclusion. Emma's journey is a reflection of the choices we all face. Every decision shapes our story, teaching us lessons and helping us grow. In the end, it's not about making the perfect choice, but about making intentional ones that align with who we want to become. What choices will you make today to shape your future? Choose wisely. You're writing your own story.